today I'm going to show you how to build my bed. So for this to work, you need to have done this. So as you can see, I've removed my two captain chairs and replaced with a carpet. So underneath it's looked like this. I have the bed foundation laying flat on the floor. This is part of the bed, as you can see. So what I have done right here is I have cut out so it's completely flat. So you can see these holes and here and here cut out for this. Okay, and so I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna remove these, and as you can see, I've also rounded the corners here, just a bit nicer. Okay, so first step is just doing like this, and here you can see the holes from the chairs, and I use 4 of them to mount my bed. So you can see them here. Okay, so let's go back to the trunk. So the first thing is, so I just gonna fold the 3rd row of chairs, and I'm gonna flip these. Oh, here is my table, sorry. I'm gonna just put that here. I'm gonna flip this, and here I just have a blanket and a pillow. And here you can see the frame of the bed itself. So this is the one, it's a bit higher than this. So this is this towards the trunk, and this is towards the front of the car. So okay, let's go back. So just put them here and here. And to fasten these, we use the original bolts, and just with hand power, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna pause so you don't need to see this. Okay, so we fast forward, so it's nice holding here. Now it's time to just bring this over here, and I forgot to show you, but I have holes here, like and holes here. And for the front row, I use these. With the back row, I have the smaller ones. So I'm gonna do like this, and it's the same here. We're gonna pause here so you don't need to see this. Okay, so all 4 bolts are in, and just the top ones we have with a bolted. So because when you push here, otherwise it's gonna pop up. And as you can see, it's a bit wobbly, and we're gonna fix that by stabilization thing I've built between. I'm gonna put this between here. So follow me back. So this is the last part of the bed. As you could see, it was in between the other 2, so it doesn't take any space. And this is just something as flat as possible. So I'm gonna show you again. So as you can see, now it's wobbly, and when I place this here, it's completely stable. So the last part is to roll out the mattress. Okay, so the mattress. Will be like this. Yeah. So that's. I'm gonna just talk about the different measurements. I'm gonna show you this. This part is a piece of 80 centimeters and 120 centimeters, and the height of the legs I'm gonna write in the description. And this is just the mattress, also a width of 120. It's just an IKEA mattress. So thank you for watching. Bye.